Come on, girls, keep up. That's it, good pace. Easy now, my gentle one. Good girl, just a bit more. Here is some fresh sharbat for you.
Thank you, Mama.
It looks so good.
Delicious. Let's build a big tower.
Yeah, I'll add this one. This blue one is for the top.
And the doll can live inside.
This is delicious, Uncle.
I'm glad you like it.
It's so cozy with the fire.
It is.
It's simmering nicely now. Just a little more stirring. Come closer, little ones. Yes, that's it. Welcome. Such sweet friends. And the little bird flew high into the sky.
Wow, did it find its family?
Wow.
I love this story.